Hi, it's Namee, and today I'm going to get ready in 3 minutes. So let's do my makeup together. 3-minute. Now my 3-minute makeup is pretty simple. Need to brush my hair. But let's run over it super quick. I have some breakouts on my chin, around my mouth. I don't know why. This is like the only place I get breakouts. Can you please tell me if you have any idea, like what organ is wrong with me? Because why? Anyway, I'm gonna use a concealer. This is the MAC. The sticker fell off. It's a MAC concealer. And I believe I'm in NC 25, if I'm not mistaken. I'm just gonna apply this where I need coverage. And then I'm gonna blend it out with a brush. Brushy, brushy, brushy. And then it's gonna look like I have a beard of makeup on. But that's okay, because we're gonna blend it with a powder. Set it and blend it. And I'm gonna apply whatever is left on my brush on this forehead pimple I have. And blend. I'm gonna apply my powder. This is Cover FX G30 Pressed Mineral Foundation Powder. I actually do like this powder because it has coverage. Just a bit. It's not a full coverage foundation powder or powder foundation, but it does give like a medium coverage. If I didn't have breakouts, it would be able to cover up any broken capillaries and unevenness in my skin. Okay, I'm gonna blend this up a bit so it doesn't look like I have a beard of foundation. And then I'm gonna apply my blush and lippy. My brush broke, but it's okay, it still works. I'm using my e.l.f. blush from in Pink Passion. It's a really bright pink, so I'm just gonna go 2 dabs. 2 dabs. A bit on my nose, a bit on my chin. What should I wear on my lips today? Same old. I'm gonna use my Burt's Bees 501 lipstick and blush. I'm actually almost done this one. See? And I'm gonna apply this on my lips. And I'm finished my makeup. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and you don't have to do so much to feel put together. Just, you know, the things that you need, basics, and sometimes it's good to keep it simple.